I got very bored of my Surron LBX, so I decided to sell it and get a razor that goes pretty fast for only $1,500. So first, I forgot to record, but we got the money right here. Got the razor in the bag. And then... Alright guys, so we got the razor in the workshop now. Alright guys, so we got the razor in the workshop now. And I think it's a little bit dirty and I want to make sure that nothing falls apart. So let's take it apart right now. So 3, 2, 1. Oh. 1. Ew. Oh, heck no. That's disgusting. So we got all the electronics out. The frame is right there. And I'm going to clean it with this pressure washer. So after I put it back together, I took it out for a test ride to find out if there's more things wrong with the bike. Alright guys, so we are on the razor. Look at this. Oh, it feels so great to be back on a razor like this. I didn't even fix anything yet. This is how I got it. So right now, I'm gonna race the Talaria and see how good this thing is. So right now, I have this thing set at 50% power. So this is just half the power. I'll go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah! Look at it, it's all the way back here. You wanna try mode 3?
Dude, give me a 3-second start.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3. Hey! Oh, I think this thing just cut off. It cut off. It cut off.
Too much current?
Yeah. I hope it doesn't spark. There we go. We're back up. I had way more fun than I thought. So I took this to LA, raced this guy on a mini bike. That's just fast, huh?
Bro, your shit is good.
Yeah. So amazing ride, but there are some things that are wrong with this bike. The chain and the sprocket are in pretty bad condition. So we got new parts and replaced them. So now this thing runs way better, but something's a little bit off. The plastics, it's just not too appealing. I'm just gonna take the plastics out, take them apart, and then sand the plastics down. And then I'm gonna wipe them down and whip out my big black coloring tool. Plastics are dry, look at this. Not bad. It still looks like it's spray painted on, but it's better than white, I guess. There were some mistakes right here, right there. So it's not the best paint job, but it still works. So after that quick little paint job, I put the plastic back together and then put it back on the bike. And these bars were annoying me, so I cut them off. Cool, that's done. But there's just one thing. I still do not feel safe on this bike. It's missing its lights. Alright guys, so I am going to install this light onto the bike. And I'm also installing, where did it go? So as you can see right here, that's just a normal red light, and whenever I brake, it just gets brighter, so we can be safer on the road. Alright guys, so I got this thing wired up. Moment of truth, ready? Alright. Oh, we got the light right here. We got the brake light. And look, when I click the brakes, this thing gets brighter. So we're gonna put this onto the razor and it'll be perfect. So after putting on some very nice wiring, it is finally on. As you can see right there, the brake light works. And it looks like the bike is in much better shape. So I'm going to take this thing out. We are on the razor! And I really miss this thing. Like, I haven't been on a razor in quite a minute. And this thing is so fast. Look at this. I'm gonna accelerate in 3, 2, 1. Woo! It's really fast. So I want to open up an e-bike shop in the LA area, and I expect to have that done by the end of this year. So hopefully we get that done, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me on the journey to opening my e-bike shop in LA. At this point, I'm doing my research, seeing all the stuff I need to start e-bike shop, and I will keep you guys posted about this. Anyways, while we were riding, me and my friends came across something pretty cool. This beautiful place. Woohoo! Hey! It's so nice up here.
There you go. Oh, that shit's hot. What? Am I breaking it?
No. Keep on going. Keep on going. Push it. Oh! I'll push you up.
Ready?
So after that little fun with my friends, we got some Chinese food after that, and then this happened. Very unfortunate, but in this video, I got rid of my purple Surron for a razor, touched it up a ton, painted the plastics black, tested its speed, took it around to nice places, and I'll open up that e-bike shop soon. Sorry for the late upload. Bye.